Financial literacy educators play a crucial role in helping people improve their financial health and make informed decisions. These educators teach essential skills like saving, investing wisely, understanding credit cards, and boosting overall confidence about money matters. Coming from various backgrounds, some educators are self-taught, while others have formal training programs available through local banks or community colleges. Regardless of their education level or background, all financial literacy educators provide valuable information to help students improve their financial situation and increase their confidence in handling money matters. In this video, we will be focusing on financial literacy educators and their significance in helping individuals enhance their financial health and make informed decisions. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Financial literacy educators are helping people get financially fit. Financial literacy educators play a crucial role in helping people achieve financial fitness. 1. Teaching money management. 2. Planning for the future. 3. Making informed financial decisions. Key areas where financial literacy educators can help. 1. Budgeting. 2. Saving and investing. 3. Debt management. 4. Retirement planning. 5. Investing in education. The demand for financial literacy educators is on the rise. Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates a 14% growth in jobs for financial services agents, including those teaching money management, from 2016 to 2026. Training programs are available to help people become financial literacy educators. Training programs are available for aspiring financial literacy educators, offering both online and in-person training options. These programs often provide opportunities for accreditation, certification, and licensing, helping educators enhance their credibility in the field. To improve one's financial literacy, it's essential to first determine financial goals and envision their successful achievement. Next, consider the resources available to help reach those goals and identify the steps needed to attain the desired financial objectives. For better money management, start small and gradually increase your efforts. For example, begin by saving $5 per week and then gradually increase the amount as you become more comfortable. Financial literacy educators work in different areas of personal finance education. Financial literacy educators cover various aspects of personal finance education: money management, investing, debt management. Educators help people understand the basics of personal finance and how it applies to their lives, including topics such as credit cards, savings accounts, investments, retirement planning and IRAs, home buying and mortgages, taxes, credit scores, financing car, credit card, and debt management. Financial literacy educators can use a variety of tools and techniques to help their students learn about money management, investing, budgeting, and retirement planning. Financial literacy educators utilize various tools and techniques to teach money management, investing, budgeting, and retirement planning. Developing a financial literacy curriculum can be challenging, but resources are available to help: books, online courses, workshops. Key steps in creating a financial literacy course. 1. Identify the goals of your curriculum. 2. Develop a plan to achieve these goals. 3. Utilize available resources such as books and online courses to assist in the process. Course topics might include saving and investing techniques, financial planning tools, goal setting, credit card management, and other subjects. Financial literacy educators cover a wide range of course topics, including 1. Saving and investing techniques. 2. Financial planning tools. 3. Goal setting. 4. Credit card management. 5. Other relevant subjects. Employment opportunities for financial literacy educators. 1. Banks or credit unions. 2. Government agencies. 3. Nonprofit organizations. 4. Schools, community centers, or libraries. Qualifications and skills of a financial literacy educator. 1. Bachelor's degree in education. 2. Specialization or coursework in financial literacy. 3. Effective communication skills, both verbal and nonverbal. 4. Ability to adapt teaching methods for different ages and learning styles. Financial literacy educators need the training to teach these classes effectively. Educators can help people improve their financial health by providing hands-on training in managing money. Financial literacy educators play a crucial role in improving people's financial health by offering hands-on training in managing money. Financial literacy educators cover various areas of personal finance education, such as budgeting, investing, saving, and retirement planning. This comprehensive approach ensures that individuals gain a well-rounded understanding of financial concepts and can apply them in real-life situations. Tools and techniques used by financial literacy educators. Interactive learning games. These games help students grasp financial concepts in a fun and engaging manner, promoting better retention of knowledge. Simulations that walk students through scenarios like buying a car or house. Simulations allow individuals to practice decision-making and understand the consequences of their choices. Workshop sessions enable participants to delve deeper into specific topics like credit scores, managing student loan debt, or creating a personalized financial plan. Participants learn about topics like credit scores or managing student loan debt. The bottom line: financial literacy educators play a vital role in today's ever-changing world, where money management skills are more crucial than ever. By providing hands-on training in various aspects of personal finance, such as budgeting, investing, and retirement planning, they help individuals improve their financial health. With a range of educators available to teach courses on diverse topics, financial literacy education empowers people to take control of their financial lives and make informed decisions for a secure future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.